What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. I got a call about a Polaris booster pump not working, so let's change it out, and this is the reason why. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is turn off the power, and I replaced this pump about 8 years ago, so I did put in quick disconnects. So that's the first thing we're going to remove. So once you get your power turned off to the unit, you can take your couplings off. And the next thing we'll do is take loose the wire connector. The grounding rod is in the back here, which is these two cables. So the next thing we're going to take off is our back cap, which is the two plugs here, two screws here. And inside, and get closer. So inside, you're gonna have your two wires that's coming in. One goes to the green, which is your ground wire, is here. So I'm gonna disconnect it. Then you got your red terminal here. And then you got your back wire here on this terminal that we're going to disconnect. So those are your three wires that come in. So we're going to pull those out. So next we're going to change out the parts from the old to the new one. About 6 or 7 times around should do it. And if you can see in the back, you have one of your wires is going to go here to the yellow, the other one is going to go here to your plug, and then your green is going to go grounded there. So you're going to have a wire here on the terminal, that terminal, and then the ground. So we're going to put it back in the reverse order. So as you can see, we got the ground, the green is grounded. We got the black wire on one of the terminals here, and the other hot wire snapped onto that terminal. So next is to put our cover plate on. And our grounding rod goes in here. And next is to line it back up. So it sounds a lot better. The pump is running. And no leaks. So that's how you change out a Polaris PB4-60 booster pump. Sounds a lot better. So until next time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and hit the notification for more upcoming videos. We'll talk to you later.
Yeah.